Hello and welcome to the Digital Literacy at Home and Work workshop presented by the PA CareerLink in Huntingdon. My name is Candy Price-Winnick. I am the Youth Career Development Specialist for that CareerLink. I am going to be presenting this to you using this presentation software. So you're going to hear me, but you are not going to see me. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right in and we'll go from there. So again, welcome. The first thing you should be aware of, the first thing we always like to point out is that everyone here, everyone listening to this, everyone viewing this has operated something computerized. So that can be your phone, your car, an appliance. We'll talk a little bit more about what exactly that means, but you're all some level of digitally literate. First, before we get into the skills you'll need and where you can learn that, I do want to talk about computer ownership. So according to a 2016 survey from the United States Census Bureau, about 89% of U.S. households reported having a computer. 81% reported having broadband or high-speed internet access. We know that is not necessarily the case in Huntingdon County. However, those options are improving. 77% of people reported using a desktop or laptop computer as their primary device. So that's at home, but what about at work? The Census Bureau does not collect that data any longer. The last time it was collected was 2003. At that time, 55.5% of workers reported using computers. I think it is safe to say now that that number is much, much higher. Computers are everywhere. The grocery store, the gas station, your lawyer's office, construction sites, social workers. Every place you look, there's a computer. Almost every job requires some level of digital literacy. And what about other technologies? So technology isn't just limited to laptop and desktop computers. In that same Census Bureau survey from 2016, 66% of households reported having smartphones. So that is your Google Pixels, Apple iPhones, Samsung Galaxies. The number of smartphones are really endless, as well as tablets. 58% of households reported having tablets. Those are things like Apple iPads, Kindle Fire tablets, and the list goes on and on. And this survey did not account for other automated machines. So your cars, your appliances, washing machines are increasingly computerized. So are dryers, refrigerators, even down to things like your smart TV, gaming consoles, smart speakers like Echo Dots or Google Homes, Fire TV sticks, all of those things. So anywhere you look around your household, odds are you're going to have something that is technologically based. So what skills do you need on the job and at home? So these are not all-inclusive lists of the top digital job skills for the Southern Alleghenies region. So the Southern Alleghenies is 6 counties in kind of the middle of the state. It includes Huntingdon and Fulton, as well as Bedford, Blair, Cambria, and Somerset. These are the top digital jobs in that area. Top digital job skills. So a lot of it is things that you might not think of. So calculators are one, but it also includes fax machines, scanners, and it's used for things like scheduling appointments, operating cash registers, all of that. If you would like a copy of this list, we are happy to provide it. My contact information is a little bit later, but this is kind of a brief overview. It's a longer list. We just kind of hit some of the high points. So why bother? Why do you need to learn new technology? Computers are continually growing in the professional world. Most companies use them. You will be hard-pressed to find a company that does not have a computer of some kind. In addition to that, most people are spending 0.18 hours per day using a computer for leisure, according to the Federal Bureau of Labor Statistics. That includes smartphone and tablet usage as well. So computer use in your personal life is probably growing. One of the next big questions we get is, where the heck can I learn all that? Where can I learn to use a computer? Where can I learn to use my smartphone? Who's going to teach me to do that? Family and friends are the first thing we recommend. You can put those kids and grandkids to work. Get them to teach you how to use your computer, how to use your smartphone. They're going to probably give you a hard time, but at the same time, they will be happy that you'll be able to communicate with them more readily, more easily. So ask for help. That's always a great place to start. On-the-job training is a really good place to start too. Supervisors and coworkers are a great resource. They can show you how to use company or industry specific software, but they can also show you how to use anything related to computers in general. If you can navigate to YouTube, that is a great resource. You might be watching this on YouTube right now. But if you can open an internet browser and type in www.youtube.com, you can learn to do pretty much anything. That includes computer technology, smartphone stuff, but also just stuff in general. A lot of CareerLinks and a lot of other agencies also offer workshops on how to use your phone, how to use a computer. You can take advantage of those. They're often free. And finally, digital literacy assessments. So we're going to talk a little bit about what a digital literacy assessment is, how to access it, and what that really means. So what do we recommend? The CareerLinks recommendation at this point is to utilize North Star Digital Literacy. So these are those digital literacy assessments I mentioned in the last slide. These assessments were developed through a community-based process in Minnesota. It was suggested by the St. Paul Public Library. These assessments are 100% free. They will make you more employable, and they also help you earn some certificates of completion, certificates of competency in digital literacy sites. And you can see the web address at the bottom of the page, www.digitalliteracyassessment.org. Before I end this webinar, we'll navigate to that. If you want a really good overview of North Star, we actually did a video on that for our CareerLink in the Kitchen series. It's one of the first videos we did, and it shows you how to walk through those steps. So that's a great place to start. I'm going to keep moving on a little bit here. So if you have questions, I know we worked through that kind of fast, but time's limited. You don't want to spend 2 hours watching a video of me talking. So if you have questions, you can email me. That's my email. It is cprice@emp-trng.org. You can call our office at 814-641-6408, or you can check out our YouTube or Facebook page. On both those pages, we have this workshop as well as other workshops we may be offering, such as time management over 50. So that's resources for folks who are looking for jobs who are over the age of 50. We also have our CareerLink in Your Kitchen series, which talks about North Star Digital Literacy, ONET Online, the careerlink.pa.gov website, and our on-the-job training program. And we will be offering more digital workshops from our CareerLink and other CareerLinks in the Southern Alleghenies region as things progress. So those are great places to start. If you send me an email, I'll get back to you as quickly as I can and try to answer your question. So some additional links. I just like to throw these out to provide them. Again, YouTube is great. Microsoft.com is good. Microsoft creates a lot of word processing software for data collection, things like that. And their website gives you kind of the basics on how to use it. Learning.com is a great assessment. It can teach you to do a lot of that digital literacy stuff. And again, digitalliteracyassessment.org, which is where I'm going to navigate to now. So we talked about North Star Digital Literacy. I'm going to kind of show you guys that website. So if you type digital literacy assessment.org in your search bar at the top of your screen, it will take you to the North Star site. And that site offers you a lot of resources. You can test your digital literacy to see where you need. It has some self-paced learning curriculum. You can build your own skills. It talks about how it works. It has a video to show what you need to do, and you can take assessments. Again, we've discussed North Star Digital Literacy in our CareerLink in Your Kitchen series. We are happy to discuss that further with you on the phone or via email. And as this says, you can learn digital literacy online with their basic computer skills unit now. they also have a number of other resources for you. So if you have any questions, please call our office. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much for joining us for Digital Literacy at Home and at Work, and have a nice day.